Take a moment now to gently settle down. Allow your body to become still and your breath to slow. If it feels right, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, breathing in and breathing out, letting go. Now bring your awareness to your heart space. Imagine a beautiful sense of calm beginning to spread through your body. And when you're ready, silently or out loud, invite Archangel Michael to be with you, saying, "Dear Archangel Michael, I call upon you now. Please come to me." Feel his powerful, loving presence surrounding you. A deep blue light, strong and protective, gently envelops your energy field. Please give me the courage I need to release any negative energy that I may have absorbed, and to release any attachments to fear from any situation that comes to mind right now. As you breathe in, imagine Archangel Michael's strengthening energy flowing into you. Feel it filling your chest, your shoulders, your spine, your heart. And as you breathe out, allow fear, heaviness, or tension to gently fall away. And say, "Michael, please give me the strength to clear all unforgiveness, anger, resentment, guilt, fear, or anything else that I may be holding on to that is not serving my highest good." You don't need to force anything. Simply allow whatever is ready to be released and let it be released. Breathing in, strength and clarity. Breathing out, old emotions that no longer serve you. Now imagine Archangel Michael's sword of light working gently around you, cutting through cords, attachments, and energetic ties that are draining your vitality. And say, "Michael, I ask that you release me from anything that could be draining my energy or vitality." And as this clearing continues, allow these words to sink deeply into your awareness. And repeat, "I ask that all mistakes in any situation that I have in my mind be now undone in all directions of time and space for everyone involved, and that all effects be transformed in light." Feel the relief of this happening beyond the limits of time, past, present, and future, gently realigning into harmony. And again say, "I ask that those involved be willing to love, and that peace be brought in exchange of all pain." Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining hurt. Breathing in peace, breathing in light, breathing in tranquility. And now one more gentle breath, and repeat. As I breathe out one more time, I let go of judgment to the best that I can. Breathe in, knowing that you are truly one with all. Breathe in, understanding that everyone is doing the best that they can with the awareness that they have. Breathe out anything that doesn't feel good. Breathe in the willingness to be at peace now. And finally, allow this prayer to flow from your heart. Archangel Michael, I ask you to bring about a miraculous transformation to every situation in my life that needs it. Please help everyone involved to be happy, healthy, and at peace. Feel gratitude gently rising within you. And thank Archangel Michael and all other higher beings, your guardian angels and guides, who have been here with you during this process. take a few moments to simply rest in this wonderful energy. Know that Archangel Michael remains with you, protecting you, strengthening you, and guiding you forward. Gently bring your awareness back to the space that you are in. Wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes, carrying this peace with you. When you are ready, complete this meditation by receiving the Archangel Michael blessing on the short video, sealing this work in love. If this light transmission touched your soul, please like, comment, and subscribe to support this sacred channel. Sharing helps more people discover this gentle power of healing and transformation. Tap the bell to receive updates on all new meditations, insights, and affirmations infused with angelic light and higher consciousness. Thank you for walking this path with me. You are the light, clearer and more at peace than ever before.